Here with a 2021 21 plate BMW 330e XDRIVE M Sport Pro Edition. Now this vehicle does come with over £1,600 worth of optional extras included. Now we do have 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights, the black front kidney grills, full M Sport styling kit. So you get the black front splitter with your black side skirt extensions, a carbon fibre rear spoiler, and also a black rear diffuser. Now you do have more blacked out styling, so you get the black wing mirrors with your black window trim and also your privacy glass on the rear. We have your dual exit exhaust flush, a rear bumper, and also the rear diffuser, and they're finished in a black chrome. You do have your front and rear parking sensor with rear reversing camera. You do also get your LED rear lights, a very cool feature to have on this vehicle. It really does go against the colour of this vehicle. Now it is a grey and does have the gold fleck in it. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If I go to the rear, I will show you a bit of the interior. Now we do have the lovely Dakota brown leather interior with the blue M Sport stitching. We have your ISOFIX points, pull down armrests, and your climate control in the rear. You have your integrated speakers and your ambient lighting with, again, your brown leather interior. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are heated and have the extended 5-sport. Very comfortable seats indeed. Quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in it and still get out feeling fresh. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, auto lights just down there. Jumping inside the car and foot on the brake, you have your keyless start from a touch of a button. I'm going to do the windows up as it is a bit chilly outside. We have a multi-function steering wheel with paddle shift if we stay a car into manual mode. You have a heated steering wheel just there as well. You have your auto high beam assist just there too. Cruise control and speed limiter there as well. Now as you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 15,326 miles. Now I do get to the digital dash. As you go through all the different drive modes, it does change the look of it. I'm going to leave it in sport as it is a sportier look. Now I can also change the views on the right hand side and leave the map just in the background there as well. Coming to the screen in the centre where you can see the satellite navigation, that red stripe, that is just the rolling shot on the phone, so nothing to worry about on the car. As you can see, it stops and starts. You have your navigation, your media connectivity, so you do have your DAB radio just there. You have Spotify, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring, you have your Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Go to home, you have your home screen just there where you can have your weather and news and also other bits of information there as well. Go down to apps, you can find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built into this vehicle with all these other BMW installed apps. Pop the car into reverse, you can see front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. You do get different drive modes, so you get sport with extra boost and individual, and you can configure the individual just there. You have your hybrid or your fully electric mode. Now the battery is slightly drained as it does need charging, but to charge it up you can run this vehicle on full electric mode. And you also have your adaptive mode there as well. Dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seats which work exactly how you would expect them to. As you can see, climate control works as well. You have your gloss black trim just down there as well with your M Sport badge just there. You have your USB 12 volts, 2 nice size cup holders. This is what user control happens on the screen if you don't use the touchscreen function. You have your track control on and off. You have your battery control just there as well. Different drive modes, electric park and with auto hold, soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath with a USB-C port in there. There's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended 5-sport there as well. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. HBI Clear comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport XDRIVE Pro Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not having to fire a steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We have a multi-function steering wheel paddle shift if we stay the car into manual mode. It is also heated, which is a very nice feature for those cold winter mornings. We have the digital dash in front of me, which changes when you go through the different drive modes. You can also change the information on the right hand side, and you always get the satellite navigation screen in the centre. It gives you the little map showing you where you are. Now we do have the lovely brown interior in this vehicle. It's the Dakota leather, very, very comfortable. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle. Still get out feeling fresh. Now both front seats have the extended 5-sport and are both heated. Again, for those cold winter mornings, matched with the heated steering wheel. It is a very nice warm car and warms up very, very quickly. Now being the hybrid car, being the 330e, you can put it into hybrid. You can have it in sport, you can also have it in full electric mode. Now it has to be sufficiently charged to put it in full electric mode. Now in this vehicle you do also get your electric windows, your electric power folding mirrors. You have the ambient lighting all throughout this vehicle. We've got the blue on at the moment with the piano black trim throughout this vehicle. You have your red start button, multifunction steering wheel, a pedal shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. We have your screen in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in there as well. Front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. You have your M badge just down here, dual zone climate control, again those heated seats. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone's knocks or bangs. And if you're listening out during this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership. We're over 500 5-star reviews on Google Autotrader and Cargoes. Now if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good you are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now I'm coming up to Industrial Estate. I'm going to take a right. Before I'm going to stop, I'll go straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So pulling in just now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Pod onto the brakes, straight into reverse. As you can see, front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera. Back into drive. Again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk-around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk-around video test drive here. Take from you soon. Cheers.